So, and I'll tell you, it's fantastic. I have only one glove and my hands are hot. It's amazing. I love this hack. Fabulous. I tell you, this is the best hack I've ever used. I always have a lot of problems with the hacks. In a beautiful sunny day in Central Park with, wow, 3.4 Celsius, and I'm feeling marvelous because of this hack. It's amazing. I'm stoked. It's like I have only one glove, a merino wool glove. And amazingly, my hands are warm. It protects it and makes a pocket, a warm pocket. So it's almost sweaty inside. Okay, I'm sneezing. It's not sweaty, but it's perfect. I love it. I love to discover those hacks because they help us so much. So, let me show you more. Style of beauty. They're so marvelous. Look at it. Say that bicycles and subway are the best way. Oh, do you want to walk a lot? Are the best ways to know Manhattan, because by car and taxi, ooh, it's too much traffic. Much that even if I'm pushing my bike, I put my hands inside it, so much warmer. You turn the right side and there's Little Italy. That's something that I love about New York. You have the whole world in here. All different nationalities. Thank you. Brookling Bridge. And it's so cool. Check it out. This is how you cross the Brookling Bridge now by bicycle. No fun at all. Oh, it took half of the fun away. We used to cross with the pedestrians. It used to be such a crazy thing. So now they took one line from the cars and put a bike back. Okay, it's much safer. I do agree, but can I go to the corner to take pictures? Oh, it's not the same thing. And in the end, Willsboro Bridge, BMW. Easy way to remember. Around the river, they're making this beautiful parks. So it's a great ride. And the fantastic thing is that you see the Manhattan skyline. Is that cool?